Hello guys and girls, welcome to our channel. My name is, as we know already, Elsa. What do we have here? We have an electronic cash register of Playsets. Again, kids no younger than 3. Let's see what this is. We can see a cash register. It's no longer pink, now it's white and reds with an electronic screen and a microphone. Nothing too fancy, but fun and exciting. Okay, let's turn the box around to check out. Okay, look, it's got a lot of things. It's got milk, it's got pizza, it's got juice, it's got toy money. Oh, we will play with this. I think it's also got some fruit and veggies. Okay, we'll see. Yes, let's see now. What do we have here? We've got some discount coupons to help us shop better for pizza, for cookies, for veggies. Okay, that's good. That's very useful. Let's put that here on the side. Then we have some toy money. Monopoly money, toy money. There, play money, exciting, nice colors. Okay, well, let's see what we have next. We have a key for the till. We press the draw button, we put the money inside. Keep it safe, right? Okay, close the till. Put the key back in just in case. Keep it safe. Okay, what's this? What's this again? Let's barcode this bottle of latte milk. Okay. Why do we scan? Well, we scan for the price. Okay. Let's see what we have next. Let's tap in some numbers. Let's scan this as well. This is... Do you see what this is? Do you see the fruit? Potatoes. Oh, no, of course not. Of course not. It's good that you corrected me. It's tomatoes. Do you guys make that mistake a lot? Because many people do. Tomato, potato, tomato, potato. Okay. Let's tap this in as well. Now we have a... Okay, this is a credit card machine. Credit card, bank cards, it's the same, isn't it? Let's put this here. Let's put the big pepper there. The ketchup bottle. The corn. Okay. Now, scan the corn. Do you guys like corn? I do. Tap in these numbers. Tap, 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 tap. Nice corn. Let's put this on the side. What's next? The pepper. Okay. You know the procedure. Tap it in. Listen to the beep. Okay, let's go on. What should we choose? Let's choose this. Do you guys know what this is? I bet you don't. Yes! Cereals, you see? We didn't know what it was, but now we do. You know, cereals and milk and honey. Nothing better for us, nothing better. Okay. Now we go on to the ketchup bottle. That's not ketchup. No, that's juice. That's water. Okay, let's scan these. Beep. Tap in. Aqua. Do you know what aqua is? Of course you do. Water. Aqua, voda in Russian. Let's go on. This is... Okay, I want to hear what this is. Who said it was Coke? That's not Coke. It's yellow. How can that be Coke? Is it juice? Yes. No? Ah, very good. Very good. It's oil. Yes, it's olive oil. Good, guys. See? Olive oil. See the green olives on the bottle? This is olio. Oil. Next. Okay, Coke. No? No, no, no. Very good. Not Coke. No, no, no. Coke. Coke is not so good for us, is it? Juice is so much better. And this is juice. See the apples on it? See the cherries? What else do you see? Pear. Uh-huh. And I think that's about it. Maybe a plum. Do you see the plum? That's juice. Okay, tap that in, tap that in. And what do we have here? We have a chicken. A whole baked chicken. Okay, so let's see how much this is. Who said that chicken was their favorite meat? Oh, you did. Yes, mine too. Let's put this away. Okay. What next? Let's put the basket to this side. Tap in some numbers just to hear that lovely beep. Makes me seem important when I hear that beep. I don't know about you guys. Okay, the money's there. The credit cards are here as well. That's how people pay. It's easier, isn't it? Bank card, credit card. Okay, let's scan this, just so we know how to do this. That's the Playset, guys. That's what it's supposed to do, teach us, inform us, entertain us. Swipe that credit card now, swipe it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And please leave any comments. Bye-bye. See you soon.